Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little ring dish out of UV resin. Ta-da! Now I can't take credit for this creation because I actually saw lots of pictures of these on Pinterest, and then I saw a tutorial for it on Instagram from a channel called C Channel Art and Study. I'll link it in the comments below. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna mix up the resin color. So I'm gonna just pour some UV resin into this little measuring cup. Then I'm gonna add in a drop of purple resin dye. Maybe 2 drops. Then I'm gonna mix it up. Then I'm going to add in a whole bunch of purple glitter. And mix that up. Then taking my crystal shaped mold, I'm going to pour some of that purple resin into it, maybe about halfway. A bit hard to pour, it's so thick. Then we're going to squeeze some clear UV resin to fill up the remaining crystal mold. Okay, before you go any further, just get your little pin tool or toothpick and just gently push the clear resin down so that the purple resin and the clear resin kind of blend together in the middle. Continue filling the top with UV resin. Alright, now that this is filled to the top, we're going to put this under the UV light to let it cure. Once the resin crystal has been cured, we're going to take it out of its mold. And it should look something like this. Then, we're going to repeat the same process so that we've got 2 of these. Okay, next we're going to make our second crystal. It's going to be shaped like a bit of a rock crystal. So, with the purple resin, we're just going to add some into the bottom mold. Once that mold is filled up, put that under the UV light to let it cure. Once it's finished curing, take it out of its mold. Things taking out of mold are hard. Speaking is hard as well. There we go, now we got little crystals, and you should also have your other 2 crystals as well. Now it's time to assemble the actual ring dish. Alright, so first I'm going to add some resin at the bottom of this crystal. Then I'm going to stick it on an angle here and add it a little bit more underneath, so that the angle stays. Then I'm going to use my trusty little UV torch to hold in place and shine it so that it stays on that angle. And then the next crystal, I'm going to add some resin at the bottom. And I'm going to stick this one here. Get my trusty UV light, UV torch, and shine it there. And we're going to add some UV resin onto this last crystal. And we are going to place it on a bit of an angle like this. Once again, UV torch, let that dry and stand still. Once all 3 of those crystals are in place, we're going to pour the remainder of the purple UV resin into the dish. We're also going to then squeeze some clear resin into the dish. Gonna get our trusty tool And we're going to spread that around. Alright, now let's put this entire thing under a stronger UV light so that it cures completely. Once it's been completely cured, I'm just going to add a little something extra on the side. Just a little bit of resin there. Now add on a little shooting star. Then for one last time, we're going to put that under the UV light and cure it. And there you have it. Now you've got your ring dish. You can put all your rings on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye!